2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.